Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Daily English.
Oh, hello, Ronald. Are you looking for my son? I will call Ben right now. Ben? Good morning, Mr. Connor. Yes, please. I need to talk to him. Sure, he'll be here in a sec. Oh, sorry, I forgot. He's not here now. He went out with some friends. Didn't he tell you? I thought you were his best friend. Oh, it's a pity. What happens is that I lost my cell phone and he couldn't call me. Anyway, I'm leaving then. Thank you so much, Mr. Connor. Have a nice day. Hey, wait. You don't look good. You're having problems, aren't you? I can recognize that expression. It's for a woman, right? I know that. Well, yeah, but I don't want to bother you, sir. I wanted to talk to Ben, but if he's not here... Alright, if you don't want to talk, then that's okay. Have a great day. Yeah, it's a woman. It's my girlfriend. We fight all the time. I don't know what to do. I see. Young couples usually fight, son. Is it serious? Maybe you can help me. Ben told me you and your wife live happy. How do you do that? Look, I'm not an expert, but maybe I can give you some advice about having a relationship. It would be an honor to hear that. I really need to solve my couple problems. Well, based on my experience, the first thing you have to do is get to know yourself. Take the time to appreciate yourself and get in touch with your emotions. This will help you to be able to express yourself clearly and more effectively. Not knowing how to regulate your emotions and express them healthily is bad. It can negatively affect your mental well-being. Couples always forget about that. They just think about his or her couple and forget about themselves. That's something wrong. I think I get it. You are saying that I should focus on myself first, before my partner. That's correct. Because maybe you are the problem. Or maybe not. But you will never know that if you don't get to know yourself first. Do you understand? Yes, I get it. That's something interesting. What else, sir? The second thing you must do is keep expectations realistic all the time. No one can be everything we might want them to be. Healthy relationships mean accepting people as they are and not trying to change them. No, accept your couple with her weaknesses too. Also, talk to each other. I know you've heard this before. I know. Communication is essential to healthy relationships. That's the thing. Of course, we always talk about our problems, but we end up fighting. That's because you're doing it in the wrong way. This is what you have to do. Pay attention. Take the time. Really be there. Sometimes our body is there, but our mind is at any other place. Listen. Do not interrupt or plan what you're going to say next. Please, don't do that. Try to fully understand their perspective. And if you understand, then ask questions. Show you're interested. Ask about her experiences, feelings, opinions, and interests. Oh, also be flexible. It is natural to feel uneasy about changes. It happened to me. But healthy relationships allow for change and growth. It's part of that. Oh, and never forget about taking care of yourself too. It's very important. Healthy relationships are mutual, with room for both people's needs. You have your own needs. Go out with your friends, visit your parents, play some sports, study something. Get your hair cut, go to a spa, or simply do what you like to do. You're not a prisoner. Maybe that's the problem. We're spending too much time together. I don't go out alone. Well, start doing that then. Take care of yourself, buddy. Don't forget that. I'll do that. In fact, I tried some of these things, but we keep fighting. Alright. Then I'll give you some tips for those fights. Look, most relationships have some conflict. It only means you disagree about something. It does not have to mean you don't like each other. It just means that you think differently. Cool down before talking. The conversation will be more productive if you have it when your emotions have cooled off a little, so you don't say something you may regret later. It really helped me a lot, believe me. I also used to fight with my wife before. When we were angry, we disrespected each other. That was something terrible to hear and see. Then we started doing what I told you, cool off, and everything will be better. Also, share how you feel and what you want without assigning blame or motives. For example, when you don't call me, I start to feel like you don't care about me. Instead of, you never call me when you're away, I guess I'm the only one who cares about this relationship. It's very, very important to express your feelings in the right way. Otherwise, she'll misunderstand it. Keep your language clear and specific. Try to factually describe behavior that you are upset with, avoiding criticism and judgment, of course. Attack the problem, not the person. Focus on the current issue. The conversation is likely to get bogged down if you pile on everything that bothers you. Avoid using always or never language and address one issue at a time. And please, Ronald, take responsibility for mistakes. Apologize if you have done something wrong. Do not ignore your responsibility. Do not play the fool. Do you hear me? Yes, sir. Sometimes it's difficult to recognize you did something wrong, but I guess I will have to do it. I don't want to break up with her. I really love her. I know that. If you didn't love her, you wouldn't be here listening to me or asking for help. And finally, recognize some problems are not easily solved. Not all differences or difficulties can be resolved. Communication is a good way to solve some problems, but some things are impossible to change. It is important to figure out for yourself what you can accept, or when a relationship is no longer healthy for you. Sometimes that person is just not for us, and it's difficult to accept that. I know. I hope it's not your case, seriously. I hope you can solve your problems. I hope so. Thank you so much, sir. You've helped me a lot. Thank you. That's okay. And if you want to talk to someone, you can always count on me.
Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget subscribe, like, share and comment on my video.